on this episode of Doorbell News.
Hey guys, get out of here. They were in your parents' car.
What?
4 guys.
Or what?
In your parents' car. Yeah.
You're now watching Doorbell News.
Oakland, California.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Yeah, another win for Rain Cam. Phoenix, Arizona. Looks like this guy needs to slow down. Oakland, California.
Someone might blow it.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of Spider-Man kind of activity going on in this episode. Albuquerque, New Mexico. So this lady in this red truck is like a serial porch pirate. Check her out. She's seen on several occasions doing several jobs with her burgundy SUV. Emeryville, California. Check these two out. Looks like they're trying to jimmy their way inside someone's apartment building. Yeah, we see you.
We can see you.
Hey, leave my camera alone.
I will call the cops. Get out.
Hey. Meanwhile, in Albuquerque, check her out. The burgundy SUV bandit is back at it, grabbing more packages. Looks like she got a big one this time. Yeah, we're on to you, lady. San Jose, California. Seems to be some sort of TikTok trend or something going on where these kids are going around kicking people's doors down and running off.
Go in the back room. Go in the back room now.
Who did that?
I don't know.
I don't find that funny at all. San Jose, California. So this old guy grabs a bunch of packages and then he says something to the camera.
So many packages.
So many packages. Get lost!
I know, stop. Wait, be careful, please. You're full, please. Mama. Yeah, Mama. Relax, please. Mama. Please, Mama. I know, Mama. Come on. I know. Please.
Looks like someone needs some help. Pittsburgh PA. Yeah, joke's on you, buddy. But who's gonna fix my stair rail? Meanwhile, in Albuquerque, she's back at it. She waves to a kid that she sees walking by in the house, and then she takes his package and runs off. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Check this guy out. Yeah, there's no audio on this one, but his intentions are clear as day. Yeah, unsuccessful. Phoenix, Arizona. We got another Spider-Man here. Oakland, California. Can't even have trash bins in front of your house anymore. Yeah, obviously having a trash can is a luxury out in Oakland. Phoenix, Arizona. Check her out. Grabs a package, walks off nonchalant. Just a regular day in the neighborhood, huh? Oakland, California. Just a regular day in the neighborhood, huh? Hey, bring that back. Emeryville, California. So I think this lady's looking for your W-2s or something like that. It's tax season, and you better guard that mail. Phoenix, Arizona. So this guy went inside this person's car, and then he tried to wiggle their doorknob to see if their door was open. Yeah, it's locked. Get lost! Phoenix, Arizona.
Hi.
Yeah, I don't think that's funny. Clackamas, Oregon. So this guy loses control of his truck, and it goes and crashes into some bushes, and then he gets in the truck and drives off like nothing even happened. Hey, you need to put your car in park next time, buddy. Took a page right out of the Three Stooges book. Roswell, New Mexico. So this guy, he's outside trying to use this homeowner's light on the porch, but he's clumsy, and he's knocking everything over, and he's making a bunch of noise. He's knocking stuff over, and he's making all kind of noise, and he definitely needs to get lost.
Hey, man, what are you doing?
I tried to use the light over there I couldn't see.
Hey, I need you to leave the property, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I had to see. I'm about to fall asleep. I'm homeless, so I was just trying to use the light over there. I couldn't see it. I saw your car flashing, so I came over here.
I need you to leave, bro. I'm sorry, but you gotta go. I got kids here. You gotta go now.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm doing. I was leaving over there. I just needed to borrow the light.
You better get a flashlight or something, buddy. Get lost! Oakland, California. Can't leave trash bins outside anymore. What a shame. Your trash cans aren't safe anymore. Meanwhile in Oakland, check these two out. Los Angeles, California.
What's up, man?
Yeah, go that way. Yeah. Anchorage, Alaska. Looks like a moose and a wreath are going at it. Carnegie, Pennsylvania. So this homeowner comes outside and notices a bunch of guys inside of his wife's SUV. Let's see what happens. Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New video coming tomorrow. And make sure you sign up to that Doorbell News members only content. Yeah, Doorbell News the movie coming soon for members only.
Hey guys, get out of here.
They were in your parents' car.
What?
4 guys.
Or what?
In your parents' car. Yeah.
Who were they?
Just guys in work coats.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members-only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.